Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to change your interface between English, Spanish, or French. So first, you want to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which it currently is, and then your display, make sure it's turned on. And then from here, we'll go to Menu, and then we'll go up or down as needed to scroll till we get to Display Settings, and we'll hit OK. And then here up or down again, but it's already on language, hit OK. And then here, Spanish, French, or English, so we'll say Spanish, OK. And it auto changed everything, so you can see here, it's a bunch of Spanish. So again, we'll say, obviously I speak English, so I'm going to switch it back to English. So go to Menu, and then I'll scroll down. That should be this one, I believe. Second from the bottom, and then idiomas language, so OK. And then back to English. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.